So guys, that's happening in outside now. So you never saw the road. Uh, the road is clears. So it's very windy. So that's happening now, guys. So the snow, it's very covered in the road. So yeah. So yan po yung nangyari ngayon. So tingnan niyo po yung basurahan namin. Ang lalim na. Yan. So see you po tomorrow. So hello guys, good morning. So it's time in here guys, is 1:15 in the morning guys. So that's happening in here now. So yeah, it's still windy. It's level 3 in on my place. So look at that guys, it's so much windy. So that's my neighbor. I'm here in the upstairs guys, so taking this video. So yeah, look at that plug guys, it's like flying and flying. And it's look like look at that one, it's foggy because of that snow. So the snows guys until tomorrow. Then the afternoon, I think the snows has stopped. Then it's coming back on the evening again. So yeah, see you tomorrow guys. I try my best to take a video tomorrow in the morning. So okay, bye bye for now guys.